Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all a grocery haul that I did. I did two different grocery pickups, one from Kroger's and one from Walmart. The one from Kroger's was my very first time to ever use their grocery pickup, and I think I'm going to do that more often. Actually, since it was my first time, there was a digital coupon for $15 off, so I got $15 off of my order, plus all of the savings that they had, and they always have digital coupons. I love to look for those. So I'm going to share with y'all these hauls, and yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay y'all, we're going to start out with the Kroger's haul. The majority of the stuff I got here was on sale, and there was some things they were out of. So the first thing I'm going to share are these they're like my mind is blank. They're boneless Angus chuck. I think they're boneless. The Angus chuck roast, and these were on sale for $2.99 a pound. So I decided to get 3 of them. Except I wish they would have gave me this one. That's the only thing about when you order meat is you don't know what size. They gave me this one's kind of small, but these other 2 are not too bad in size. So I got 3 of those. We needed more sour cream, so I got this one. And they substituted, I didn't see my substitutions in time because I had my order set for early this morning. But they had, I think it was the Oscar Mayer hot dogs were on sale, and I actually was wanting some of those, but they substituted with this John Morrill. So we'll see if those are good. And the kids are going to be disappointed. They were really excited to get these, but I had originally ordered, these are the Jimmy Dean Simple Scrambles that you just put in the microwave or whatever. I had some bacon ones, and I think I had like a 3 meat or something one, and they were out of those. So I only ended up with 4 of those. So I may end up running into Walmart or something later to get more of those this week. And then they had the Ore-Ida potatoes, the frozen potatoes on sale. So I got the crispy crinkles, some diced hash browns, and some tater tots. And then for myself, I decided for like a quick breakfast or lunch, I would do these little smart ones. I got the breakfast wrap, egg, sausage and cheese. And then I got this 3 cheese ziti marinara. And I've never tried this one, but it's a chicken enchilada. I don't know how you say that, but whatever that word is. We got some Suddenly salad, the ranch and bacon. We love this. And then I like to have these on in my cabinet, my pantry, just for days when I don't feel like peeling potatoes or whatever. And to me, these are really good. So I got, these are just microwave. You just microwave the water and then add these, are instant. So I got 2 of the buttery home style, 1 of the butter and herb, and 2 of the baby reds. And this is my favorite fabric softener, and this was on sale. The Snuggle Super Fresh was like a digital coupon and everything, so I got 2 of those. And then I seen that they had these Grill Mates on sale, if it'll focus. This one is the Louisiana Cajun Grill Mates by McCormick. We got 4 avocados, which is going to probably take a few days because these are hard. But we got these. They were on sale too. And then Courtney really likes these oats and honey bars, so we got those. So now we're going to head over and look at what we got from Walmart. Okay, y'all, here is what we got from Walmart. So a lot of this is not food. It was just things that we needed. So anyways, I'm going to start out over here. I got these Grand's buttermilk biscuits. They're in the frozen food section. When we were on vacation, our friends that was with us made these, and they are so good. And I was like, I'm getting some of those. And I'm bad about buying biscuits in the refrigerator, like in the can, forgetting about them, and then they go out of date. So these will be good. So anyways, we're planning to make street tacos this week. So I got a package of the street tacos, the corn and the flour tortillas. And then I usually always get the Stokes coffee, but they were out, and so they substituted with the Starbucks. And I'm trying the unsweet, because on the Stokes I had been getting the one that says like a little sweet or not too sweet, and I still feel like my coffee's too sweet when I put creamer in it. I don't know, so we're gonna try it. I got this laundry sanitizer. I like using this on towels and sheets and things like that. And then every now and then I like to use this Carpet Fresh on the carpet. I needed some more onions, so I got, I think this is like a 3-pound, yeah, 3-pound bag of just yellow onions. And then I got 4, sorry y'all. I got 4 of these Roma tomatoes. I got a head of lettuce. And then I got some fire roasted green chilies, just the mild ones. I ended up getting 4 cans because a lot of the times they're out. And so I was like, you know what, I'm going to get some extra. And then I got some triple cheddar shredded cheese. And then some mild shredded cheddar cheese. We got 1 dozen of eggs. And then I needed some beef broth. And so I just bought 4 cans of that. And then the majority of this stuff is all non-grocery items. So I got a bag of cotton balls. Oh, I did get some real lime juice. I really like using this because I'm bad about forgetting to buy limes and stuff, or I let them sit and they go bad. And this is something a friend had recommended for my husband to use, so he's getting that. Bryce needed deodorant. And then my husband always likes to keep Pepto in the refrigerator. And then we needed some more Benadryl because we have people with allergy issues. Some Slim Jims. Courtney had wrote that on the list. And then I noticed that Courtney, I think, is starting to get dandruff. So I bought her some of this Head and Shoulders shampoo. And then I bought her this Deep Moisture conditioner. We also got a loaf of bread. Our favorite bread to get is this Nature's Own butter bread. And then we got a 40-pack of water. We've been going through waters like crazy, which is good. So anyways, yeah, that was just kind of 2 quick little hauls that we did. And I still may end up running and getting a few things that I need throughout the week that I forget about, which I'm very notorious for doing. I can't speak this morning. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already or not subscribed to me, just hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. And that way too, you will always know. Oh, hit the bell. Then you will always know when I upload a video. And then of course, subscribe to me so that you can keep up with all my videos. I love having all of y'all here watching, and I love commenting with y'all. And yeah, so anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah.